Entry doors. Austin are a crucial aspect of any home or business, providing both security and aesthetic appeal. In Austin, Texas, the demand for high-quality entry doors is on the rise, with homeowners and businesses seeking the best options for front door installation. Whether you're looking for custom entry doors or need door replacement services in Austin, there are numerous options available to suit your needs. Front door installation in Austin is a service that requires expertise and precision. With a variety of entry door styles available, from modern entry doors to traditional entry doors, finding the perfect fit for your property is essential. Entry door contractors in Austin offer a range of services, including entry door replacement and entry door maintenance, ensuring your doors remain in top condition. Custom entry doors. Austin provide a unique opportunity to enhance the curb appeal of your home. With options like wooden entry doors, steel entry doors, and fiberglass doors, Austin, you can choose a design that complements your home's architecture. Entry door design. Austin is a specialized field, with experts offering tailored solutions to meet your specific requirements. Door Replacement Austin is a popular service for those looking to upgrade their entry doors. Energy-efficient doors. Austin are a smart choice for homeowners seeking to reduce energy costs while enhancing the comfort of their homes. Entry door suppliers Austin offer a wide range of options, from residential entry doors Austin to commercial entry doors Austin, catering to diverse needs. Entry door security Austin is a top priority for many property owners. With advanced door hardware, Austin, Texas, you can ensure your entry doors provide maximum protection. Entry door customization. Austin allows you to add features like reinforced locks and security systems, enhancing the safety of your property. Entry door showrooms Austin provide a hands-on experience for those looking to explore different entry door styles. Austin. With a variety of options on display, you can see firsthand the quality and craftsmanship of the doors available. Entry door experts Austin are on hand to offer guidance and advice, helping you make an informed decision. Entry door solutions. Austin are designed to meet the unique needs of each customer. Whether you're looking for modern entry doors Austin or traditional entry doors Austin, there are options to suit every taste and budget. Door installation services. Austin ensure a seamless process from selection to installation, with professional entry door contractors Austin handling every detail. Fiberglass doors. Austin, Texas are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These doors offer the look of wood without the upkeep, making them an ideal option for busy homeowners. Wooden entry doors. Austin, on the other hand, provide a classic and timeless appeal, perfect for those seeking a traditional look. Steel entry doors. Austin offer unparalleled strength and security, making them a preferred choice for commercial entry doors. Austin. These doors are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and provide long-lasting performance. Entry door maintenance Austin is essential to ensure the longevity of your doors, with regular checks and replacements as needed.